Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, I'm going to show you how to make white chocolate M&M holiday pretzels. We're going to need some pretzels. These are round pretzels that I'm going to be using today. Some M&Ms and some white chocolate. So super easy. Just place your little round pretzels and then you just want to fill them up with your chocolate. Okay, I think that's good. And then just grab your little M&Ms, just place them right in the middle and just give them a little bit of a push so that they lock in there. So I'll get one there. Get our white chocolate, our little M&M. Perfect. So now I'm just going to let these set up and then we'll come back in a little while. Now that my white chocolate has set up, we're ready to go, and I'm just going to lift those off. You can see what they look like on the bottom. So that little circle really does a good job at retaining, the white chocolate to that area. We'll just peel those off. And I did a few more off camera. If you don't have a silicone mat, you can use parchment paper or wax paper. Isn't that cute? So now that I've zoomed in, you can see how nice these are. So we've got the little round pretzel, we've got our white chocolate in the middle, and then our little M&M. And you can see that we kept with the holiday theme of the red and the green. So a really, really fun one. If you're having a party, make a bunch of these and they will all get eaten up. So there we have it, another really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.